A Mongoose bicycle will bring out your adventurous side with every pedal. It's time to elevate your ride. Trails, sand, snow. The trickier the terrain, the more fun you'll have on this Dolomite fat tire bike. The 7-speed twist shifters and Shimano rear derailleur offer ultra-smooth gear transitions. And when you're out on the trails, you'll appreciate the crisp stops provided by the bike's dual mechanical disc brakes. You'll enjoy year-round riding thanks to the durable steel fat tire frame. The 4-inch wide supersized knobby tires allow you to conquer challenging terrain, including snow-covered surfaces. The fat tires roll on wide alloy rims, which are both lightweight and extremely durable. This versatile ride is also outfitted with an adjustable threadless headset and a strong 3-piece crank for simplified maintenance. Designed with 26-inch wheels, the Dolomite best fits riders age 14 and up, measuring between approximately 5 foot 4 inches and 6 foot 2 inches tall. Get ready for the ride of your life. There's nothing you can't do on a Mongoose.